How to block app notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about blocking the app notifications on the Facebook application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you launch the application, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Now again, scroll down and click on Notifications. That is the initial option in the Preferences section. Tap on it. Now here you can go to a specific section you'd like to, such as comments, tags, reminders, more activity about you, update from friends, friend request, people you may know, and many more other options. Simply tap on any one of them and then you can toggle the switch on to enable the notification, and you can simply toggle the switch off to block the notifications. Besides this, you can go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. Now from here, simply search for Facebook application. Once you find it, tap on it, then go to Notifications, and after that, simply toggle the switch off if it's turned on. And that's all there is to it. I truly hope that you found this video helpful and informative. So if you enjoyed the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.